Hi, this is Dr. Joel again, and welcome to the medical breakthroughs that are very, very recent. Today is actually my favorite. Today is the incredible breakthrough of autophagy. Is when I was on the faculty 50 years ago at Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, Texas, the word did not exist. And in 2016, a Nobel Prize was given to a Japanese doctor for discovering one of the greatest phenomena in medicine called autophagy. In my opinion, this is the closest we have to the fountain of youth. The great explorer from Spain, Ponce de Leon, he was searching for the fountain of youth, and I think we finally have it in autophagy. So, just like the name says, auto is us, the person, and phagy means to eat. And what it means is that the body can recycle itself. We live in Boulder, and a lot of people think that Boulder is the recycling capital of the United States. Well, Mother Nature, through autophagy, even tops Boulder. So, the beautiful thing about autophagy is that the body will take all the dead cells, senescent cells, crenated cells, old cells, and it's even thought that bacteria and virus go into that same hopper, and the body will recycle them and make new tissue. But the beautiful thing is that the body does this on a priority basis. So, for example, the body is not going to start to recycle the heart first. No, that will be the last thing. In other words, the debris, the garbage, goes first. And a simple protocol, a simple logistics for you out there to do is every day you could do this. And how many of you out there heard of the term intermittent fasting? Well, you could have 2 great meals a day. The catch is, please keep them within a window of 8 hours. So my calculation, 24 hours in a day, and if you eat during the 8-hour window, well, then there's 16 hours of intermittent fasting. And that is where the magic happens, because the body has no choice but to recycle, because it needs 2 things. It needs to make new cells, so the protein from your own body is recycled. And then number 2, it needs fuel. So the body has no choice, after the liver is drained of the glycogen in the 16-hour window, then the body has no choice but to burn fats. And then it is thought, big time, especially the brilliant work of Dr. David Sinclair up at Harvard, it is thought that when you do the autophagy, the known longevity genes, called the sirtuin genes, are actually turned on. In addition, is the glucose levels are nice and low, and the insulin levels are nice and low. And we spoke about that yesterday, the importance of low insulin levels in preempting the metabolic syndrome. So once you start to do the autophagy, not only do you recycle all the old cells, dead cells, and senescent cells, but you become, in the words of one of my students, you become a, quote, a lean, mean, fat-burning machine. So what we're going to do tomorrow is elaborate on the extra benefits of burning fats instead of glucose. So have a nice day, and thank you so much, and looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye-bye.